DP-203 Data Engineering on Microsoft Azure Dumps. Question 1. You have an Azure subscription that contains an Azure Synapse Analytics workspace and a user named used. You need to ensure that user 1 can review the Azure Synapse Analytics database templates from the gallery. The solution must follow the principle of least privilege. Which role should you assign to user 1? Question 2. You have an Azure Data Factory that connects to a Microsoft Purview account. The Data Factory is registered in Microsoft Purview. You update a Data Factory pipeline. You need to ensure that the updated lineage is available in Microsoft Purview. What should you do first? Question 3. You have an Azure Synapse Analytics dedicated SQL pod. You need to create a pipeline that will execute a stored procedure in the dedicated SQL pool and use the returned results set as the input, or a downstream activity. The solution must minimize development effort. Which type of activity should you use in the pipeline? Question 4. You are deploying a lake database by using an Azure Synapse database template. You need to add additional tables to the database. The solution must use the same grouping method as the template tables. Which grouping method should you use? Question 5. You have an Azure subscription that contains an Azure Synapse Analytics dedicated SQL pool named SQL Pool 1. SQL Pool 1 is currently paused. You need to restore the current state of SQL Pool 1 to a new SQL pool. What should you do first?